How to get a Charles Schwab debit card. Here are the simple steps for obtaining a Charles Schwab debit card. Visit the website. Go to the Charles Schwab website to begin the account opening process. Choose the Schwab Banking Investor Checking Account option. Fill out the application. Complete the online application with your personal information. A brokerage account will be created for you automatically. No funding is necessary. The checking account has no monthly maintenance fees. Enjoy unlimited ATM fee rebates worldwide. A great benefit for travelers. Ensure you enter the correct mailing address for your debit card delivery. Your debit card will arrive within 3 to 5 business days after account approval. Download the Charles Schwab mobile app to manage your account conveniently. Enable real-time transaction alerts for added security. Follow the included instructions to activate your debit card upon receipt. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.